In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change availability on Calendly. Calendly is a fantastic tool for streamlining your scheduling process, making it easier to coordinate meetings while avoiding double bookings. Whether you're managing a packed work calendar or just trying to keep your personal appointments organized, keeping your availability up to date is key. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the process of adjusting your availability settings in Calendly. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Calendly website. You can do this by typing www.calendly.com in your browser. Once there, look for the login option, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll need to choose your preferred login method. You can enter your email address and password to log in, or if you use Google for your accounts, you can click Continue with Google. If you choose the Google option, you'll be prompted to select the Google account that's connected to your Calendly profile. Make sure you pick the right one, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. Once you've selected your Google account, Calendly may ask for permissions to access your Google Calendar. Click Continue to grant these permissions. This step is important because it allows Calendly to sync with your calendar. By doing this, Calendly can automatically block off times you're already busy, helping you avoid scheduling conflicts. After you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look for the section labeled Event Types and click on it. This is where you can manage and customize the different types of events you offer. Next up, find the Availability option within the Event Types section and click on it. This is where you can fine-tune when you're available for meetings or appointments. Now it's time to adjust your availability settings. Here, you can add or remove specific time slots to reflect your current schedule. For example, if you're no longer available on Monday mornings, you can remove that time slot. Alternatively, if a new availability window opens up, you can add it here. You'll also see an option to check or uncheck specific dates. This is especially useful if you have one-off conflicts, like a holiday or a personal day, and want to block off certain dates temporarily. Once you've made all your adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. This step ensures that both your Calendly availability and your connected calendar are updated automatically. By doing so, you'll maintain seamless scheduling and prevent any accidental overbookings. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to change your availability on Calendly, ensuring that your schedule always reflects your current availability. If you have any questions or tips about using Calendly, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.